What's going on? Nick Rehmani here, and welcome back to our channel where we dive deep into the best tools and strategies for digital marketing success. So today, we're tackling a hot topic in the affiliate marketing community. Finding an autoresponder that not only boosts your marketing efforts, but it also plays nice with affiliate marketing. Let's explore why AWeber and GetResponse stands out as your go-to options. If you're an affiliate marketer, you've probably heard the horror stories marketers are having with their accounts shut down by autoresponders once they detect affiliate marketing activities. This is a major concern as email marketing is a critical tool for affiliate success. But fear not, AWeber and GetResponse are here to save the day. Both platforms are known for being exceptionally affiliate friendly, making them a rare breed in a market where many providers shy away from affiliate marketers. One of the key advantages of using AWeber and GetResponse lies in their ease of integration. Whether you're using ClickFunnels, Lead Pages, Home Business Academy, or any other popular funnel builder, these autoresponders connect seamlessly, ensuring that your marketing funnel works smoothly without a hitch. Let's break it down and see what makes each of those tools stand out. Starting with AWeber. Known for its user-friendly interface, AWeber offers a wide range of features, including autoresponders, segmenting, analytics, and more, tailored specifically to enhance affiliate marketing campaigns. Setting up AWeber is a breeze. With their drag and drop email designer, even the least tech-savvy marketer can create engaging and professional emails in minutes. Switching gears to GetResponse. This platform isn't just about sending emails, it's a comprehensive marketing solution offering automated workflows, detailed reporting, webinars, and landing pages that are specifically conducive to affiliate marketing. The power of GetResponse lies in its automation features. You can set up entire sequences of emails triggered by specific actions taken by your subscribers. This means more personalized communication and ultimately better conversion rates for your affiliate products. While both platforms excel in different areas, they share crucial benefits for affiliate marketers. Compliance with affiliate marketing, robust integration capabilities, and commitment to ensuring your marketing efforts aren't hampered by platform limitations. If you're serious about affiliate marketing and need a reliable email marketing tool, AWeber and GetResponse should be at the top of your list. Want to learn more about setting them up and maximizing your affiliate revenue? Hit that subscribe button and don't forget to ring the bell to get notified about our latest videos. You can also go to my link below in the description to sign up for AWeber, and if you want to find out what we do online to earn substantially in a principle-centered way, go to freedomlifebusiness.com and get started right away. Make 2 sales and you are in profit. Thanks for watching, and see you in the next video where we'll dive deeper into creating effective affiliate marketing strategies. Until next time, keep optimizing, make it a wonderful day, and remember to always go for your dreams no matter what they are. Bye for now.